part 2, they have 2 cot squared theta equals to 7 cosec theta minus 8. We can use the identity of 1 plus cot squared theta equals to cosec squared theta to form a quadratic. So you can have 2 and then replace the cot squared theta with cosec squared theta minus 1. Cosec squared theta minus 1 equals to 7 cosec theta minus 8. Expand the brackets to give you cosec squared theta minus 2 equals to 7 cosec theta minus 8. Bring everything to one side, so you're going to have 2 cosec squared theta minus 7 cosec theta plus 6 equals to 0. You can see here that you have a nice quadratic. Having cosec squared might be confusing, so what I always do is I would say let cosec theta equals to y. So now you'll be left with 2y squared minus 7y plus 6 equals to 0. This is easily solvable. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 factors of 12 which give 7 are minus 4 minus 3. So 2y squared minus 4y minus 3y plus 6 equals to 0. Just factorize 2y. To get 2y squared you need y. To get 4y you need minus 2. Then these brackets must be the same, so I have y minus 2. How to get minus 3y plus 6? That would be 2 times by minus 3. And then you would have 2y minus 3 and y minus 2 equals to 0. Now, because we said y equals to cosec theta, now we'll have 2 cosec theta minus 3 equals to 0, and cosec theta minus 2 equals to 0. Cosec theta equals to 2, and cosec theta equals to 3 over 2. From our cosec graph, we know that both can be true. So, as the cosec graph goes like, this is important to check whenever you have cosec or sec. It goes like this. Mind the drawing. One here and minus 1 here. They're saying cosec theta is 3 over 2, which is above, so it does lie on this cosec graph, and they're saying it equals to 2, which again lies on the graph. So it could be either. Now we can use our knowledge of sine theta equals to 1 over cosec theta. So 1 over sine theta equals to 3 over 2, and 1 over sine theta equals to 2, which is the same as sine theta equals to 2 over 3, and sine theta equals to half. Class diagram. Let's solve this one first. Sine theta equals 2/3. 2/3 is positive. That's an A. It's positive, so it must lie in either this one or this one. Because it's sine, it can only be positive in the sine section or the all section. Plug in sine minus 1 2/3 in your calculator, and you should get 41.8 degrees. which corresponds to this, and over here, because this one counts too, this is 41.8, and you want this angle, this whole angle over here. So 180 minus 41.8 is 138.2. So for this it's 41.8 and 138.2. For sine theta equals to half, we're going to do the same thing. CAST. As it's positive, it can only lie in these two regions. Plug in sine minus 1/2, and that should give you 30 degrees, which corresponds to this. And the value over here should be 150, because 180 minus 30 equals to 150. So it will equal to 30 degrees and 150 degrees. So overall your answer will be theta equals to all of these.